Take a ride in the 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, center armrest, 8 speakers, security alarm, rear window defroster, compass, power locks, trip computer, fog lights, power convenience group. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.